Hi, Direk Joel.
Hello, darling. How are you doing?
I'm fine, very
You
fine.
dear, you look so lovely tonight.
Thank you, and kayo rin po, very dashing with that red and black color. Para tayo sa ano, di ba? Awards. Go sa awards. So, ayan, ang first question ko po, dun sa hindi tayo pwede. Paano po kayo personally nakaka-relate sa title? May nangyari ba sa inyo in the
Yung bagay na
past?
hindi naman talaga tayo pwede. Kaya ako, marami akong hindi pwedeng gawin.
Mhm.
O hindi naman ako pwedeng maging doktor, hindi naman ako pwedeng maging abogado. Hindi tayo pwedeng gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay. Minsan na kahit gusto natin, talaga naman hindi pwede. Eh, kaya mo. Meron ka rin mga hindi pwedeng
Of course.
kasama, hindi pwedeng ka-join. Di ba? Ano pa?
So, ano pong masasabi nyo kay Lovie po? Kasi yung last na
She's
nakatrabaho.
very good actress,
Mhm.
very professional, she's very beautiful, and she's very sexy.
Marco and Tony, they're fairly new eh. How was the experience? Did they, nakuha ba nila mga one take lang?
Very good actors. Actually, sila yung mga susunod na abangan nating actor ating industry. They're very good, they're very sincere, they're very sincere, they're dedicated to what they would like to be. We're fortunate we have actors like them.
May isa pa po kayong pelikula this year, isa pang Bahaghari. May iba pa po ba? Magiging Joel Amangan Film Fest din po ba ang 2020?
Meron akong coming in the name of the mother, which will be shown Mother's Day. Let's look at her.
So that's...
Which is now at Porto, at the Fantasporo Film Festival.
So I know it's safe to say you actually have like 3 movies in the like 6
I have live
months.
streaming, I just finished what I want, which is called Beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful.
So can you tell us more about that? I think this is the first time you...
It's the story of a family whose matriarch would like all her daughters to be disciplined, even if they did not like. Well, it's the story of those daughters who said yes to the mom, but deep inside them, they did not like it. And what happened to them after they become beautiful?
Sa dami po ng pelikula na dinirect nyo, ano po yung pinaka-personal sa inyo na pelikula?
Ako, lahat naman sa akin personal. Ang paggawa ko naman pareho. It's personal. What is personal? I don't understand what's personal, what's not personal.
Sige, expound ko po. Well, for me, meaning po ng personal, yung something na pinakabinigay niyo yung puso nyo so far. So it's the same amount.
When I do films, I give all. You know, I don't come and do a film na parang naka-practice na bibigay mo. You don't do that. You give all the concentration that is needed. You give all the time. It's just like, you know, giving birth to a baby. Anak mo yan eh. So, lahat bibigay.
Speaking of baby, hindi niyo po ba naisipan mag-ampon?
Kasi ang dami-dami kong babies.
Oo.
Hindi na kailangan.
Yung sa hindi tayo pwede, mga ilang shooting days po kayo? Or was it staggered na across? Tuloy-tuloy.
Wow, ganda-ganda naman ni Ashley.
So kayo po ba as a director, pag kunyari, first reading kayo, sure na nakas yung actor or parang in a way still part of their process?
Pag pinarasdito kita, ito na yun. Kung may pagkukulang ka man or you're weak, we'll work it out. Malalaman ko kung ano yung weakness, malalaman ko kung ano yung strength.
So, sino pa pong mga actors na hindi nyo pa nakakatrabaho na gusto nyong makatrabaho? Okay lang kahit international. Ayan, Meryl Streep.
There's so many. I love to work with these young actors and actresses now, especially the upcoming popular actors, the young ones, yung mga anak ni Piolo, si Inigo, Anika Batch ni Inigo, yung mga bata, I like working. Because that makes me feel young.